Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have with us the brand new Huawei's Matebook X Pro 2021. We received this beautiful box. We've not touched it, we've not opened it. We're going to open it, tell you all about it, but can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. And if you're watching us on Facebook, Insta or TikTok, our handle is @GreatLobbyist. Go check us out there as well and give us your love there as well. We're also on the web, www.greatlobbyist.com. So I'm going to get straight on to opening this bad boy box, tell you everything about it, how it looks, how it feels, what all tech it packs. And during this video, you'll also see some footage of me using this piece once I've set it up so that you know best whether this is for you. I've got a good feeling about it. Always got Huawei products coming nicely by way, so I'm going to straight away get on to opening it. So first thing, I'll start with opening the seal right here with my favorite yellow color. And while this is done, put this on the side and focus on this beautiful, elegant looking machine. Weighs about 1.33 kgs, so not too heavy. Looks chic when you carry it with you for work. You know, this is something you carry to a coffee shop and work mobile. Absolutely metallic body, which has got really sort of diamond cut sort of a finish on top of it, and at the back, and of course windows inside. Let's look at the ports. We've got two Thunderbolt ports here, right here, two of them, and the 3.5mm jack, dual, and a Type-C, USB Type 3, USB 3 as a standard port as well, Type A. So great stuff there. And as we open this bad boy and remove this plastic, here we go guys. Beautiful looking machine, and as always, integrated camera right here. So you don't need to have a camera here. That gives you a full screen hardware to enjoy your work. Now this is 13.9 inches of full view display. Now this is LTPS touchscreen with 3-finger screenshot option as well, which is fantastic. It's like working on your mobile at the same time. And 3000 to 2000 pixels of resolution with 260 pixel density. Now 3:2 aspect ratio is giving you more depth and more width than the standard 16:9. So I love the 13:2. I use one of the versions of Matebooks, and I love using it. That's my primary laptop anyways. And this screen gives you 450 nits of brightness with intelligent light sensors, so it adjusts the screen quality, the brightness according to your ambient sounding, and 100% sRGB certified, so you can expect the highest quality of visuals and graphics on this bad boys. And it's got 6 million pixels to back that up, which is fantastic. Now contrast ratio of 1500 to 1 and the angle viewing of 178 degrees. Let's turn this on, and as we can see, it's got a huge touchpad as well, monster. But what packs inside is amazing. So 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, Intel RX Xe graphics which are integrated, 16 GB of 3733 MHz of RAM, and 1 terabyte of NVMe PCIe SSD. So a lot of storage there, and a lot of power with 16 GB with power backed up with i7 processor from Intel Core 11 generation. Lovely stuff. And a 56 watt hour of battery, which gives you 10 hours of non-stop usage. Now this may vary, of course, a little bit here and there, but that's a huge number of hours to get you through the day without carrying these two things. But just in case you need to, they are little tiny. Unlike those, I don't like those two-piece ones which are huge and bulky. This is power charging. This should be the new standard for every laptop manufacturer. And this is what I love about these laptops, that I don't need to worry about carrying bulky cables. And it's got two ports and one USB port as well. So, which means you don't have to worry about carrying additional stuff, because your laptop connects with it. Your additional monitors, new monitors come with it, come with Type-C, and USB is there just in case you need it. But if you still need it, you get those small little portable dongles which you can buy off our website, and they give you those additional ports that you might need. They come in packed with some of the other machines, but this one maybe not, but still that is a fantastic piece of hardware as well, just in case you want to buy it. So all the ports that you need, and the huge touchpad, and the fingerprint scanner is integrated with the on-off switch, so no separate integrated scanner. So this has on-off switch. Let's see if we can turn this on and something comes up. When it comes to the front camera, which is 720p HD camera, this is a 1 megapixel camera, giving you that quality communications as well. 4 speakers and 2 microphones, which means your audio communication and audio quality of sound is going to be fantastic as well. But yes, they are still a laptop. You don't want to, people want to keep it private. I would suggest connecting a headphone or a pair of Huawei 4i's. I love them, so you can connect with that. And because this is a part of their super device, you have seamless integrated with other Huawei devices. Now we're going to do a separate video using this and connecting it with the new Huawei Matepad Pro, for which the video is already live on our YouTube channel, so you can check it out. And this third video of the series is going to be showing how seamlessly Huawei devices integrate with each other and communicate with each other, giving you that extra power. Now, along with this beautiful emerald green color, it also comes in space gray, just in case you want a little bit more conservative and subtle. But I love the green color. This is fantastic. Now, when we work integration with the Huawei tablet, that is going to be showing you how Huawei Share works, how they communicate with each other using collaborate mode, extended screen mode, whether you can use it as an extension of your tablet, so you can extend your tablet screen onto this and vice versa, and drag and drop information there. That's a separate video. You'll get to see all the details there. And it's got eye protection, so you don't need to worry about long working hours, because it has a long battery life, because your eyes are going to be feeling much more lighter because of the less blue light emission. So fantastic. It is a beautiful piece of hardware, and I have absolutely, as you will see in some of the shots here, I've loved working on this bad boy, so you will enjoy it as well. Go check it out on their website. The link is in the description. And this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.